Welcome back to Cooking with Gunnar. But first of all, thank you so much for being a wonderful audience. We've reached 150 subscribers, which means the world to me, and you guys are leaving comments and likes and getting in touch, which is absolutely fantastic. So today we're going to cook another Italian classic. We're cooking pasta all'arrabbiata, which means an angry pasta that has a bit of kick to it. And it was Marti from Rome who asked for this. She asked, can you show me how to make a quick and easy penne all'arrabbiata? And this is what we're doing today. To make our penne all'arrabbiata, we need 4 tomatoes, 2 to 3 chili peppers, some fresh parsley, 2 garlic cloves, a teaspoon of sugar, 150 milliliters of passata, 100 grams of penne per person, salt and pepper, and some olive oil. If you're in a hurry, you can also make this dish with a tin of peeled tomatoes instead of using fresh ones. Before we start, we need to peel our tomatoes. To do this, we cut out the core at the top of the tomatoes and cut a little cross into the skin on the other side. Once we've done this, we place them into boiling water for about a minute or two until the skin starts to peel away. Once it does, remove them straight away from the boiling water and place them into a bowl of cold water, preferably with some ice cubes in it. Now you can easily peel away the skin. Next, we quarter the tomatoes and remove the seeds. For our mise en place, we finely slice the garlic. We de-seed and slice the chilies. To de-seed the chilies, just squeeze them and give them a little turn between your fingers, and you see the seeds falling out. Next, we chop up the fresh parsley. Make sure to chop it up nice and finely. Chop your tomatoes that we peeled and de-seeded earlier. That was all there is for the mise en place. Now we're ready to cook. We start cooking by adding a little olive oil to a hot pan. When the oil is hot, add the chili and garlic and let them cook for a minute or two or until the garlic starts turning color. Now add the chopped tomatoes, giving it a good stir. You can already see this lovely paste forming. And now to add body, add the passata still over medium heat and stir all of the ingredients together. Add the sugar and season with salt and pepper. Reduce the heat to a low heat and let the sauce simmer away while we cook our penne. Ideally you want penne lisse, but penne rigate are just as good. Once the pasta has cooked al dente, we add it to the sauce with a slotted spoon or spider to capture some of that lovely pasta water in the process, and add the chopped parsley to the pan. Give it a final stir to combine all of this loveliness. And all that's left now is to serve this beauty up. Grate a little pecorino romano over the top. And there we have it, a lovely penne all'arrabbiata. As always, if you've liked this recipe and you want to try it out, make sure to leave a comment below. Let me know how you got on. If there are other recipes that you would like to see me cook, again, leave it in the comments. I read all of them and I try to get back to each and every one of you. Also remember to hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already to never miss any of my videos in the future. Until next time, buon appetito!